Akash with Kumar. Today we're going to make a yummy breakfast, pancakes. Okay. First, in a bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. First, add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add your pinch of salt to the dry ingredients. Then mix up and make a well for the wet ingredients. Now we have made a well for the wet ingredients. Let's add our 1 cup of milk. Then add 1 egg, 1 beaten egg. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can add butter too. Then mix the wet ingredients and dry ingredients together until there are no lumps. The bowl. After all the ingredients are a little bit mixed, now mix it with the vanilla essence. Now our batter is ready. Now we have to keep some butter in your iron skillet until it's melted. Then pour in your butter. Now it has been 3 to 4 minutes. Let's cook each side. Another 3 to 4 minutes on this side. And do the same for the next. Now our pancakes are done. This and serve it with some maple syrup. If you like, add it with some fruit. Bye guys. Subscribe and keep learning on the Junior Chef Akash Kumar. Bye.